These first questions in the review deal with finding the slope. So let's do some of them, and I think we can do these first four together. Remember that slope uses the letter m, and it's the change in y over the change in x, which all you do is you take one of the x's and subtract the other x. One of the y's and subtract the other y over the corresponding x, subtract the corresponding x from the other point. The first one we have to do is to just find the slope. And so the slope will be, has a rise over the run. How far over you go, here's the run. How far up you go is the rise. And this is a positive slope, this is a negative slope. So in this case, a rise of 14 over a run of 5. So we would write the slope as 14 over 5. Or if we wanted to write that as a decimal, we'd take 14 divided by 5. Mode 1. 14 divided by 5, and we get 2.8. The change in y. Now, the most common thing people do wrong is they put them in the wrong order, but it's the change in y over the change in x. 6 divided by 4, which is 3/2, or 1.5. Now, as I said before, you can do the slope. I'm going to change colors. The slope is subtract the y's over subtract the x's. So 6 minus 2 over 3 minus 5. Notice you have to go the same direction. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 5 is negative 2, which is negative 2. Next one. And change colors again. The slope is change in y over the change in x. So 2 minus negative 3 over negative 6 minus 3. 2 minus negative 2 is 5. Negative 6 minus 3 more is negative 9. Negative 5/9, which if you do that on your calculator, 5 over negative 9 is negative 0.5 repeating. So I don't know how many decimal places you want to do, but I would leave it as negative 5/9. Next one. Write the equation of the line in the slope intercept form, and then make a graph. Okay, so the slope intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. So y equals negative 2/3 x, there's the slope, intercept plus 4. So I don't care where you make your axes on here. Intercept is 4. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our slope. Our intercept. Remember, you always intercept first, and then our slope is negative 2, so down 2 and forward 3. Rise over run. Now, your quality control on this one is look at your slope. Notice the slope is negative, and our line is going downhill. Next one. Same thing. Slope y equals mx plus b, y equals negative 2x plus 1. Here's our intercept, here's our slope. Let's graph them first. So you remember you always start at the, well, let's put in our axes. The intercept is 1, and our slope is negative 2. So from there we're going to go down 2, forward 1, and so our line is going to be like that. Next one. Slope-intercept form again. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals negative 1.5x plus 4. Let's graph it here. Start at the intercept, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we intercept at the 4, and from there go down 1.5, or 3 halves, right? So I'm going to go down 3, forward 2, and draw my line, which, if you notice, is the exact same as if I would have gone down 1.5 and forward 1. I would have still gone through the same point. Next one. Ooh, now we have to find the equation and make the graph, or find the slope and make the graph. Okay, so let's look at this one. So y equals mx plus b. The slope is 3, and the intercept is the point 0, negative 5. So we're going to graph that. So we're going to start out down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and from there go up 3, 1, 2, 3, forward 1, because our slope is 3 over 1. And if you notice, we are indeed going uphill. Next one. Okay, so our slope, y is mx plus b. M is 1/2, and our b is negative 2 1/2. So we're going to start out down 2 1/2. 1, 2, here's 2 1/2. And from there we're going to go up 1/2, forward 1, or up 1, forward 2. It doesn't matter which way you go. You're still going to get a line that looks like that. Next one. Y equals mx plus b. M is negative 2/3. B is 3. So let's draw our graph. Start at the point 3. 1, 2, 3. And from there, go down 2, 1, 2, forward 3, 1, 2, 3. And there is our graph. Next. Oop, that's it.